Good evening, friends. Today we are at the Visual Gallery. This is at the Indian Habitat Center. So you can come here by the metro, Jorbag, or on your own vehicle. So today we are at the end of a show, which was on from 5th of December,
Yes.
to the 9th of December. So we have this young man. He's from Assam. He's an artist who's a product of Delhi School of Art, and he's Preetham's.
Delhi College of Art.
Delhi College of Art. And he is Mr.
Pritham Saikia.
Sekia.
Pritham Saikia.
So we see his work behind us. So you could talk about your, how do you get into this?
Yeah, it's been like, very uncertain times going around. Like, we'll be all locked in the thing. So I'm basically a nature lover. So my thing is like, to give a communication to the people to know about like, what is their life is all about. So this is the three series of work. It's a time reflection. So, time is a very important part of a life. What you are doing today, so tomorrow is going to reflect to you. You say like time just in front of you. If you react right now, and if it's good back, then it is revert back to you. You can't see the time going back. So looking forward, like this is something like, you see the first painting, it's like the human creates so many things. The natures always remain the same unless and until you touch in a bad way. So it's reflect. So you can see the pollutions and the result of the no leaf there, like, trees are drying. And that is because like we human work on that. And again, that's the land, this is the water. There you see the reflection. There is no human, they are not using this idle boat lying on the water. So it's also an obstacle for the living being there in the water substance. So the third one you see, usually we used to see in the mountains and the hill areas the birds.
They're missing.
It's a missing.
The birds are missing. Only the aircraft is there.
Aircraft is there. So somehow it's a pollution everywhere.
So we are talking about the atmosphere,
Yes.
at large the environment.
Yes.
So you're trying to show that all this we need to means come back to the normal
Yes.
things of what we did in
Yes.
childhood.
And I tell you about like, the ecosystem.
Yes.
Ecosystem is something like, if you see the tiger is not hungry and is not going to hunt anything.
Yes, he's
right?
not going to look for his prey.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So that is what we need to unnecessarily. We are making cities and but there is less tree or more buildings.
Okay.
Right? So what we can ecosystem, like, we can think about the birds, and if you just cultivate something, a small plant at your home, and giving some space for the others also. We are not caring about. That's what you see. A lot of monkeys are there in the cities and disturbing, it's biting people. But why this is happening?
They are all around the parliament in Delhi, the Newton's Delhi as they call. If you're going to Rail Bhavan,
Yeah.
or Shastri Bhavan, where the ministers.
Yes.
I have also seen monkeys inside their corridors.
Yes.
Those corridors of power. The
Yes.
monkeys are there. So now I wanted to ask you another thing. That here you had this group show.
Yes, right.
So how many shows you have had, your solo shows, and where all you've been around the country?
In our college, like, everywhere there's all going to be an art show,
Yes.
the foundation, and that way, like, we have done 5 shows in there in the college only. And then after, I used to have one gallery there in Gurgaon. So that's an art center. So we used to
you exhibit there?
Yeah, we exhibit there quite often, and then we conduct so many, workshop over there. So we did a lot of workshop there. So we give opportunity to the artists to come forward and, give lesson to the upcoming features. I mean, to the small little one to the big one.
Yes. 1 second, we are recording 1 minute. Yeah. So where do you work, sir? Where do you work?
Yeah, I'm a art educator, and recently I'm working in the Siram School, Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we'll close it at this because we have other friends coming. Can you do a pause, sir?
I can talk about So during the lockdown time, and we all were stuck inside the home. So that was the time I was going again back to my childhood time. I'm from Assam, so this is the landscape you can see over here, the all watercolor, and we used to find the animals and their print. You won't find here any buildings and all. This is the happiness of the nature. I just want to portray for the people to see how we should care about the nature, the waters, and the technique that we used to do the ecosystem. You also see here. So Assam, I used to go for the fishing.
Yes.
So that is something here.
Which is the fish of Assam hillside?
Yeah. You will get all different kinds of fishing, and this is also the women. They used to go for daily basis in the stream of the waters.
Oh, lovely! It's so nice.
So that's what just portrayed so many that waters is also a part of our life.
Right.
You would live without water is not possible for today's life.
Right. So how was the response here at the show?
Yeah, there's so many because of this pandemic thing.
Yes.
I am sure people are not able to come. That they have communicated because the social media we heard telling they are putting their messages all over there. And that is something I believe. So is basically to portray what is there in my mind for the society.
Right.
So
How
I
many
believe.
artists are here today?
Yeah, we are total 15 people, right? And 5 sculptors here and 10 painters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you, the gentleman from. He's an artist and he's an educator. So it was very nice meeting you, Sanjay Agarwal for LI 24/7 News. Thank you.